Good afternoon, everyone. It is February 6th, 2023. What you're looking at is just a full Globex and RTH sessions combined for the ES on a 30-minute chart. What we had today was a gap down, which is something I mentioned I was looking for as of last night. And what I really wanted to see us do was get into this sort of this FOMC spike base slash Tuesday's highs, Wednesday's pre-FOMC highs. I wanted to see us get into this, I don't know, 40, 90 to 75 area. I thought we'd come down and test this, but instead, what we did was we ran the overnight stops over here at 05ish. We ran that stop, came back above, got above that January high at 09 quarter, and then we just rallied up to the gap close around 11:30, coinciding with the euro close, and then sold off and churned within range for the rest of the session. So it wasn't really a major session. I mean, the entire range I think was 30-ish points. Yeah, 32 points, which is smaller on average. Usually we're looking at about 40 points or 50. News-wise, this is a inverted chart, I think. Oh no, this one's fine. News-wise, we do have JPOW on tomorrow afternoon at 12 o'clock. I don't think we have anything other than that. Wednesday, we do have FOMC Williams and Waller. Friday, we have more FOMC from Waller. Thursday, we also have unemployment. So Tuesday, for tomorrow, what I'm imagining is that we're going to have a smaller range while we wait for JPOW to talk. So I would look for a more rotational session leading up to that. And then afterwards, I wouldn't be surprised if we do have a little bit of market craziness, so I'll be holding off. I'm just going to look up actually what he's speaking at. It could very well just be like a small conference and not anything major here. A discussion at the Economic Club of Washington, D.C. Yeah, so I doubt it'll be anything major, but the market will likely be reacting to any sort of keywords he says. The algos will be picking up on that. So that's what I'm looking at for tomorrow. I I don't want to be involved in the middle of today's balance. I think that's just a recipe to get chopped up. Instead, what I'll be looking for is if we can come back, get above today's high, that range gap close, and now settlement lows around 35, 36. Get above that, come back in, and then I'll be short for move into today's point of control around 24, 25. Same thing with the lows, looking for a look below and then getting long at 09. Above that, I want to be long at 42s and short at this key resistance around 56, 55, around there. I do think if we get above 63, that FOMC Wednesday high of the day at 63 quarter, I think if we get above that, we will start to make our way back up to where we had that weekly POC shift at 41.88. Something to note is that to the downside, I'm not going to be too eager with hitting this look below and fail long because I do think that we come into this area, but really 68 to 79, 68 being where on some data providers that remained where the weekly POC was. So I think we have to test that piece of volume. So either 68, that higher time frame piece of volume, 68 three quarters, or 79, 78 three quarters, where that daily POC sits from Wednesday. So I want to see us test somewhere in here. Is what I'm looking for. So coming inside, getting back above, and then hitting either one of these long, either 88 or 93s. I'm undecided, and hopefully the market will give me an idea of what level is being respected in this green box over here. Below 68s, I don't want to be long. I think if we get to 55, we start looking at a potential liquidation day. Same thing with the 30s. This should not be green. This should be red. So that's how I'm kind of looking at it. That's all I have, I believe. So generally looking for a more rotational session tomorrow. I want to be long 42s, short 55s, short 88s. To the downside, looking for a look below and fail of 09 quarter and 93 or 88, and then shorting 55, 32, and so on and so forth. That's all I have for you guys. Yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys. Any adjustments to this will be posted Twitter pre-market per usual. go ahead and trade safe for tonight and tomorrow morning. See you guys later.